I had 3 hundreds and 2 tens? How would you represent that on the place value chart? Okay, this is easy. We're not multiplying or dividing by 10 yet. So if I had 3 hundreds and 2 tens, how would you represent that on the place value chart? Go ahead and draw yours in. All right, perfect. So if I was going to represent that, I would draw 3 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, and I would draw 2 tens. Easy enough, right? But what if we multiplied that by 10? So now I have 10 times 3 hundreds and 2 tens. What would happen now? Okay, well, let's break this down individually now. And if I had 3 hundreds times 10, how many hundreds would I have? 3 times 10, how many hundreds would that be? Well, that would be 30 hundreds. Let me draw those in real quick. Okay, so I have my 30 hundreds here, and then 2 tens times 10. So 2 times 10 is 20, so I'm going to have 20 tens. Okay, so now I have my 30 hundreds and I have my 20 tens. We're going to bundle those together into groups of 10 and move them to the higher place value. So again, I'm going to use a highlighter here instead of circling them so it doesn't look so messy. But let's see, this is 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, and 3 groups of 10. So that would mean I would have 3 thousands, right? If I move these guys over, I'd have 3 thousands. Let's do the same with my tens. So I can group 1 group of tens, 2 groups of 10. So if I moved these guys over, I would have 2 groups of 10. So my new number would be 3,200. I would have 3,000s and 200s. So basically I'm doing the same thing that we've done in all the previous examples. I'm just doing it with 2 numbers now. So I'm going to have to regroup or bundle those numbers in different ways. Another way you can start to think of this too, if you're ready to move on from drawing those like place value discs or those circles to represent the place value, is you can kind of just think of it this way. I have 3 hundreds and I have 2 tens. If I'm multiplying by 10, I know I'm going to be moving to that next place value, right? So I'm going to be multiplying by 10, moving to the next place value. So that means I'm going to have 3,000s and 200s. 3,000s and 200s. Okay, I'm just kind of sliding to the left, moving up my place value because I'm multiplying by 10. Same thing's going to happen if we divide. If we were dividing by 10, I would slide to the right instead and just move my guys this way instead. Okay. So what you guys are going to do now is you're going to practice this a little bit on your own. So in your lesson and in the module, there's going to be some work for you to do independently. Some of it I would like for you guys to solve some problems on your own and then talk about them with your learning guide. They're going to have certain questions that they're going to want to ask you as well to kind of pull some knowledge out of you and have them show you what you know. So I want you to take your time with this. If you find yourself struggling on any of these concepts or not being able to answer those questions independently, I would encourage you to watch the video again or reach out to me, reach out to your learning guide. And if we need to jump in Adobe or if we need to find some extra resources to help you out, we could definitely do that. But take your time, work through your independent work. And I thank you guys very much for sticking with me and watching the whole video. And please let me know if you need anything else. All right, thanks. Talk to you soon.